Hi, it's Monique, and I hope you enjoyed this video. This Korean stir fry with rice cakes and vegetables, it is so good. For so long, I wanted to cook with gochujang, but I could never find a vegan, soy-free, gluten-free version, so I could never use it. And then one day, that the one that I showed you in this video popped up in my grocery store, and I was ecstatic, and I've been experimenting with it ever since. This is one of the recipes I came up with, and it is so good. It might seem a little strange to use mozzarella in a Korean recipe, but I promise you, Koreans do this all the time. I noticed it when I would watch Korean mukbangs and I would see that they would put so much mozzarella on some of their recipes. So I became interested and I wanted to try a vegan version of what I would see in the mukbangs. And yeah, this is really, really good. Honestly, I prefer this without the mozzarella though. But I say give it a try. Try it both ways. Put a little mozzarella on it and see if you like it with or without. Either way, definitely try the recipe. The written recipe with the ingredient list and written instructions will be on my website, daytimevegan.com. And I hope you leave a comment, like the video, save it, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!